name is Sandeep Bhatia, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Rajkumar Goyal Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad. So, in a series of lectures delivering for a subject microcontroller and embedded systems design having code KEC 061, what we have covered, we have completed our first 4 units, and in the 2 lectures back I have started with the unit number 5. Unit number 5 is basically the simulation of the IoT applications, how the IoT applications can be deployed. So, in the previous lectures, previous units, we have learned about the types of microcontrollers, what is IoT, what is embedded system. So, in 5th unit, we are talking about the simulation of the IoT based application. So, today the topic is introduction to the Mbed platform, under which we will talking about the Mbed development tools and IoT wireless standards. Okay. So, I am taking the marker here. So, these are the table of contents that we will discuss in this lecture. Under first topic, that is identify the different Mbed development tools. We will learn about the platform OS requirements, Mbed licensing, contribution and governance. So, in a previous lecture we have we have already discussed about the Mbed functionalities and Mbed components. So, in this lecture we will discuss about the Mbed development tools. Okay. After that, second topic is Mbed operating system 5, under which we will look into the towards the Mbed OS technical overview, what is the Mbed operating system, what are the Mbed tools are available, third party tool support we will discuss in this under this topic, what are the test tools available, what is continuous integration support, and last topic we will discuss some more IoT wireless standards like LoRaWAN under this topic. So, these are the table of contents that we will cover discuss in today lectures. So, the question is what is Mbed? In the previous lecture we have started with the Mbed. Mbed basically a open tool available to run any IoT based system. Okay. For example, you are going for a smart irrigation system. So, you have to need to install the sensors, you have to prepare your, you have to make any IoT hardware. But before executing any IoT based hardware, through Mbed platform you can access its feasibility. You can virtually check the output of the system. So, Mbed is basically provides the API interface under which you can write the program, you can debug the program, you can burn that program into the microcontroller. Okay. And you can rewrite program. So, for writing the program, the libraries and codes are openly available in the online. Anyone can access from anywhere. Okay. So, the advantage we have discussed in our previous lecture is that Mbed provides open source libraries. So, here it provides open software libraries, there are a lot of libraries available. You can use for any application, the libraries are available. Okay. It has an open hardware design, the libraries codes available can run on any hardware, it has a own hardware development kits. Okay. It has open online tools for professional rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping means that for IoT based application you can create, you can prepare any prototype. Okay. So, any prototyping can be done. So, for that lot of online tools are available in Mbed API. Okay. So, of products based on ARM based microcontrollers. So, the development kit which is compatible with the Mbed platform are based upon the ARM Cortex microcontrollers. So, Mbed is a platform and operating system for internet connected devices based on 32-bit ARM Cortex M microcontroller. In the previous lecture we have talking about already discussed about the Mbed Cortex M microcontrollers. It is basically a 32-bit microcontroller. So, such devices are also known as Internet of Things devices. So, the project is collaboratively developed by ARM and its technology partners. So, Mbed provides the open source library, it has large number of libraries, all codes are available, all codes are available for you can be used for any application, for any hardware development, online tools are available, anyone can use from anywhere. Okay. After that, platform OS requirement. So, platform OS requirement that the what are the types of platform available in Mbed. So it has a two types, 2 points here. It accelerates the development of the IoT devices. It accelerated the deployment of IoT devices. So we are developing the IoT devices, we are deploying the IoT devices by using the Mbed OS, open Mbed operating system. Okay. So development of IoT devices. So for development we need hardware plus software. So okay. So integrate all the necessary software component needed for constrained IoT devices. So we can say that for development of IoT devices, for example, smart healthcare, smart home automation, you before install any devices, before install any application, you can run on Mbed platform. So it bring modern this correction is a modern modern development methodologies and choice to microcontroller to improve the productivity. Any microcontroller can be used for Mbed platform. It is not like that is it is only used few microcontrollers. Any microcontrollers can be used in Mbed platform. So it provide OS functionalities and API across many vendor solutions to enable choice. So large number of vendors are they are providing the development kit that is compatible with the Mbed operating system. It is not like that few development boards are compatible with the development boards are provided by many companies, all are compatible with the Mbed platform. Okay. So it accelerating the deployment of the IoT devices. So for deployment of IoT devices there is some standards and protocols. So provide standardized connectivity to the cloud across different transport. So deployment of IoT devices there should be some standards and protocols. So these standards and protocols are provided by the Mbed operating systems. Okay. It provide manageability from the cloud to open opportunities and reduce cost risk. So platform operating system means that Mbed, we are talking about the Mbed operating system. It is used to accelerate the development of IoT devices. It increase the feasibility of the IoT devices and it is used to accelerate the deployment of the IoT devices. So it develop and leverage an ecosystem. So all the libraries, all the codes are freely available and open source to remove barriers to entry and enable adoption. So lot of tools are available online, we can access them. So in collaboration with partners to provide maximum gearing of investment for everyone. So the open libraries are available. It can be, we can collaborate with the another partners. So so that debug can be easy. For example, if you are writing program in Mbed, okay, you have some difficulty there, you have some problem there. So you will sort the program, but if the same problem had happened at some another location, okay, and they already have sort out. So someone at there they put the solution of the problem at Mbed platform API. So anyone can use that solution, that code at their location. Okay. So that the time will not waste. So it is available to all the users. Anyone can use from anywhere. Okay. The tools and web infrastructure. What is the meaning of the web infrastructure? Means that all the tools are available online. You only go to the Chrome, type here Mbed. You can easily design a program or design any hardware in the Mbed platform to support an ecosystem and create network effect. Okay. So it provides leverage ecosystem here. So here in this slide we will talk about we will discuss Mbed licensing, contributions and governance. Okay. So licensing and delivery. Almost all code Mbed operating system is open source under Apache 2.0 license. These are freely available to the user. We do not need to pay to access the Mbed operating system. It is freely available under the Apache 2.0 license. So some components are only supplied to end developers under a permissive binary license. So if this is the link which provide to after open this link you can check the license agreement of the Mbed, and it works. You can check its feasibility as well. So you can go into the www.mbed.com. Here under licensing permissive binary license, you can check the components that is available in the Mbed operating system. So Mbed partners get access to full source code. So large number of source codes, large numbers of libraries you can check under this link. So contributions, Mbed contributor, license agreement. So license agreement you can check in this particular link, mbed.com en about Mbed contributor license agreement. Okay. So you can check the Mbed licensing, its contribution, governance, protocol standards. Just you have to go into the mbed.com. Under mbed.com you can check the many things there. Okay. So after that, Mbed licensing contribution and governance, it has some pull request submitted via pull request. So some documents are available. So Mbed is very easy to use, but if you have facing some problem, you can check its guide, full guide. For example, if you are buying any product from the market, washing machine, mobile phone, it has some booklet there, that is the guidelines, full guide. Okay. So that if you are unable to use, you can refer that guidelines. Mobile phone generally are very easy to use. If you have problem, some you can use the user manual. Okay. So in the same way, mbed.com provides some documents, some guide, some brochures, so that if a new user unable to use the Mbed, they can refer that guidelines, they can refer that manuals provided by the Mbed. So it has a code style guide as well. You can go mbed.com, docs.mbed.com, docs documents getting started with the Mbed. It has a full guide, all codes are available there, you can check through the internet. So governance, ARM is the lead maintainer, ARM is controlling the things here. ARM is the lead maintainer for the core of Mbed operating system. So Mbed Silicon partners are lead maintainers for their target specific drivers. There are a lot of Mbed Silicon partners are there. They providing the our development kits. Okay. So Mbed ecosystem partners are responsible for supporting their components. So large number of components, large number of codes, large number of things are there in the Mbed operating system. All are governance by the ARM company. Okay. So here we are talking about the different Mbed development tools, different Mbed development tools. So under which we will study the Mbed operating system 5. So basically this is the platform operating system for the Internet of Things. So what are the things available here? It provides various development tools like Cortex-M RTOS kernel, development tools are available, partner ecosystems, management services, IoT connectivity, integrated security, portable drivers, developer community, all it provides many, this Mbed operating system provides many development tools. So we will discuss one by one. So first one is the ARM Cortex-M RTOS kernel. So Cortex-M series, real time operating system. So kernel means that real time operating system, which microcontroller is we have to use, which microcontroller is compatible, all are looking through the kernels, threads are, all these things are there. So so ARM M series of RTOS is compatible with the Mbed operating system. So for there are a large number of members in the Cortex-M series family. So the program code we are using for particular M, all are compatible with the all the members of the ARM Cortex families. We have a development tools so that we can use the libraries codes here. It has a management services. It provides some management services. Okay. Management services like how to install, how to effectively utilize our Mbed resources. After that, we need have a IoT connectivity because we are deploying the things here. So we need connectivity to transfer data from one device to another device. For example, in through Mbed, you are writing the program, you debug the program, you burn the program into the microcontroller. So the program you have written into the microcontroller, we need to communicate to the remote location, for example. So for that we need some IoT connectivity. IoT connectivity here like Ethernet, Wi-Fi, NB-IoT, LoRaWAN, Sigfox, many wireless technologies are available. We have a portable drivers. Portable drivers means that drivers are available anywhere. You can use drivers from anywhere. Okay, portable drivers, they are freely available. Integrated security. Security is the main concern because each operating system should have a security features, because there is large number of data we are dealing with the IoT applications. These data is vulnerable to all. Anyone can use that our security data, our confidential data. So we need some security layer. Okay. So, integrated security means that Mbed has security applications. Securities, it has its own integrated security. Okay. It has a developer community, developer.mbed.com. It has a partner ecosystem. Partner companies are there. So Mbed operating system provides the real-time operating system, real-time connectivity. It has its own security layer. It has a IoT connectivity, management services, development tools, portable drivers are in the Mbed operating system. Okay. So we will took the learn here the Mbed operating system technical overview. Okay. So here we will discuss about the Mbed OS core, Mbed connectivity, Mbed security, Mbed tools. The first point is the Mbed operating system core. It is consistent kernel. It has a consistent kernel and hardware abstraction providing application portability. So core is the main unit. Core means that all the things are available, and it has a core functions. Main important functions lie under the Mbed core. Okay. It has a Mbed connectivity. Mbed connectivity means that in the previous slide we have seen that it provides IoT connectivity. Okay. So same here, it has a Mbed connectivity. Connectivity means that the API, it has a developer friendly API. Anyone can use it. Application programming interface. Okay, to increase productivity and portability. So it is very user friendly. For example, ATM machine, you when it is very user friendly, anyone can easily use ATM machine. For even a person which is if has a ATM card, first time they are using the ATM machine, through some steps it is can easily use. No one it need do not need some other person help. Anyone can use the that machines. Okay. So in the same way, Mbed is very user friendly API. It provides user friendly. Anyone can access the codes. Anyone can use the Mbed easily. Okay. Wide choice of low level communication stack implementation, supported hardware. It has a supported hardware. It has a large number of libraries are available. Anyone can use it. It has a Mbed security. We have seen that it provide Mbed security. Anyone can use it. So it has a comprehensive life cycle. Life cycle means that it has a some EDA tools available. Life cycle under which it is following there. Okay. So it has a device security framework. It has a Mbed tools, configuration, build, component management and testing are all available here. So large number of sets are available here. So Mbed tools, we will discuss the Mbed tools. So it has a core tools available. Mbed tools means that the main tools available to run any program, important tools are available. So it support free command line and online ID tools. ID means integrated development environment. This provides the API to run any application. So it has all the tools are available online. It supports compilation. Compilation of is very easy. Collaboration is very easy, and test workflows. Okay, anyone can. There is compilation is possible. Collaboration is possible. Collaboration means that we can collaborate with the another users of the Mbed. Okay. Test workflows. If some have problem, we have in the previous slide we have seen that if someone have problem in coding, they put solution in the internet and anyone can access that content through the internet. It is easily select build for different targets and tool chain. Different targets they are available for any hardware we can use it. It has a tool chains. It is integrated with distributed version control system. So many companies, many vendors are available which provides the core tools like Git, GitHub, GitLab, Mbed code, Atlassian, Mercurial, Bitbucket. Many large number of vendors are available which provide online ID tools. Okay. After that, it support third party tool. It has a third party tool support. So third party tool support means that uh, we can use any microcontroller, okay, and we write the language into the microcontroller. You can debug it and write into the burn into the microcontroller. After that, you can dump that microcontroller. So that is the meaning of third party tool support. It means that it provides all the libraries to the API. Okay, it has all the libraries used to run any IoT based applications. Okay, so it is working with tool partners like Keel tools by ARM. Okay, IER system, 9 Cloud 9, ARM, see GCC, LLVM, all vendors are available. They are providing the industry standards ID. So software built and tested across different compilers. So basically, this is the picture of the image of the Mbed platform. Here all the libraries are available. We have a API interface. All the tools are available. You can run, you can write, rewrite, etc. Or you can debugging units are there. Okay, this is the debugging unit. So it is very easy to use. Okay, all the things are freely available in the internet and online. Okay, so we have a test tools. We have a test tools like Green Tea. This test suite provides a collection of tools that enable automatic testing and embed platform. So basically, Green Tea is a testing unit. It provides a collection of tools. Many tools are available here. It has a related tools like CMSIS, DAP, CMSIS we will discuss in the further lectures, and DAP link debug our standards. We can debug the any code. Okay, debug feature is available in the Mbed. So it has a USB enumeration unit. We have a universal serial boards are available in the Mbed development kit. Okay, you can which allow the connection and discovery of hardware. So it has a flash, reset and instrument testing for USB debug enabled devices to enable test forms. So here you can see that Python is compatible with the Mbed platform. It CMS DAP means the development kit we are talking about. It has a USB interface unit. It has a input ports. It has a output ports. Okay, it has a its memory. It has its own microcontroller. Okay, all are in the development kit. It is compatible with. It has a flash, reset and instrument for USB debug. So Bluetooth connectivity. It has a IoT connectivity like Bluetooth, RFID, Ethernet, Wi-Fi we can use here. Okay, so it is specific system testing. For example, BLE test suite available. Bluetooth low energy. BLE means Bluetooth low energy. So it is compatible with the Bluetooth 4.0, Bluetooth 5.0. All the recently versions of Bluetooth Mbed is compatible. Okay. So it provides continuous integration support. What is the meaning of continuous integration support? It has a integration support services available which is integrated in the Mbed platform. So continuously they are available. It has a help unit. You can go into the help and check the any if you have any problem in using the Mbed. It has a help interface unit available. So it is reporting in standard, human friendly. Anyone can use it easily, and continuous integration system formats. So ये जो unit XML, HTML unit, JSON all are available. So basically these are the open source libraries, open source codes available. Anyone can use them very easily. So tools available as Python modules, we have seen that, and command line interface. So it has a the tools available is extendability. There are large number of tools are available, large number of codes available. They can be reused. Not like that in Mbed we can use and test. We can use the code only once. It can be reused many times. So Jenkins, Hudson, Travis, Circle CI, large number of companies are available which can provide the services of Mbed platform. So our last topic is IoT wireless standards. We have covered the about the Mbed. Okay. So in the previous lectures we have already discussed the IoT wireless standards like NB-IoT, Bluetooth, Sigfox, LoRa, but we have missed some of the concept of the LoRaWAN. Okay. So what is the meaning of LoRaWAN? Basically LoRaWAN means long range wireless area network. long range wireless area network. So, it provides low power solutions to the IoT devices. So, it is low power wide area network LP1 protocol developed by Semtech. Semtech is the company which manufactured these type of, which fabricate this type of LoRaWAN devices. So, it is based upon the spread spectrum modulation techniques. Spread spectrum modulation techniques, on this technique it is based, and it derived from chip spread spectrum CSS technology. So, it provides the point to multipoint networking protocols, okay, and that uses Semtech LoRa modulation scheme. Okay. So, it is not just about the radio waves, it is about how the radio waves communicate with LoRaWAN. So, in any IoT based application, we need to transfer the data to a long range, hundreds of kilometers, all this possible through the LoRaWANs, through Zigbee, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, RFID, Bluetooth, short range, only they have short range drawback. So, these drawback can be removed by using the LoRaWAN. So, so always do the things like encryption, and encryption, security, all are providing in this LoRaWAN. Okay. The way star network communicate is simpler to professor and the students in a lecture. For example, if the professor is delivering the lecture to the students, so professor is like the gateway which is relay the information, which is communicate the information, communicate the data to the students, and speak to end nodes, and nodes is like the class, okay, to which students, to which the data is communicating. Okay. So, this is the pics of the LoRa transceiver. This is the LoRa transceiver. It has a 433 kilohertz of range of working frequency, and this is a transmitter module. Transceivers means that transmitter plus receiver. It has both transmitter plus receiver. Okay. So, this is another pic of the LoRaWAN 433 megahertz wireless spread spectrum transmission module. So, you can check the, in a Google you can check the LoRaWAN devices. You can go to the Amazon, Flipkart, many vendors company, and you can order the LoRaWAN. You need to check its frequency range for particular IoT application. It should be feasible node, you have need to check before applying. So, LoRaWAN, this is an asymmetric relationship in terms of communication. Everyone in the class could be trying to communicate with the professor at the same time, but the professor would not be able to hear or understand all the time. So, basically LoRaWAN has an asymmetric relationship between that. Okay. So, professor is able to communicate at a time only one student, but all the students can see the professor. Okay. So, it is based upon that principle. So, these are the LoRaWAN images. So, thank you everyone for your patience. I hope you have enjoyed my lecture. Thank you all.